Writing attention-grabbing headlines when writing your copy. It doesn't matter if you're writing to create banner ads, Facebook posts, or landing pages. One bad headline can destroy all your copy. A good headline is one that convinces readers to click on your article and give it a try. Can you write these headlines that grab the attention of readers? There are two types of headlines that attract the attention of readers. Your headlines must be unique. The internet is full of people who plagiarize content every day. Do not be one of them. If you want to stand out from the crowd, you should write unique headlines that grab attention.
Yes!
Your headlines must be very specific. When your readers read your headline, they must understand what they will receive if they buy your product. Do not use generic and ambiguous phrases and describe in your headlines precisely what the person who buys the product is going to receive.
Yes!
Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.